Okay, so again, we are going to be using the side splitter theorem here. That theorem says that if a line is parallel to one side of a triangle and intersects the other two sides, then it divides those sides proportionally. So I'm going to start up top here with 5, and it's going to be 5 over that other side length of 12 on that side length. And then on the other side, we're going to, since we started with 5, we have to start with x on top. And then we're going to have the other portion of 4 on the bottom. Quick little cross multiply here. Go ahead and solve. We get 12x equal 20. So x equals 1.6 repeating. Now 21, we're talking about angles. This is going to be the triangle angle bisector theorem. So if I have a ray that is bisecting the angle of a triangle, that's what this means. These two pieces are congruent. Then it's dividing the opposite sides into two segments that are proportional. So we can go ahead and say that 12 over x is going to be equal to my similar side lengths here, 36 and 27. Notice how I started with 36 because I started with 12 here. If I would have put x on top, I would have had to start with 27 on the top in my second fraction there. Now it's just a quick cross multiplication. Go ahead, pause this video, solve it, and check your answer. And we should have gotten that x equals 9 for that answer.